Okay, so there's a couple of great things that are going on with Kit Digital for this year. One of the coolest things that we've done is we've just released one of the first Windows 8 apps, and it's for 4OD, which is Channel 4's online service. Now, we did an Xbox app for them last year in 2012 that won the Innovation Award at IBC. So we were pretty psyched about that, and then they came to us and said, do you want to build an app for Windows 8, which is really useful. It's got a lot going on in the platform that you can really use to its advantage for TV. So that just launched, and it's already one of the more popular apps on the Windows Store. So we're pretty psyched about that. We're also going to do a big update to our social program guide app. It's going to have a lot more about discovery, and the cool thing on that is that it's going to actually involve the user in the discovery process, so that if you're looking for something to watch, it's going to, it'll help you help it narrow down. Do you want to watch movies or TV? Do you want a comedy or a drama? The more you can help narrow it down, the better your results are going to be. I always compare it to, what do you want for dinner? Well, there's a whole world of things. If you say, I want Chinese for dinner, I can give you a really good list of Chinese restaurants as opposed to scatter shooting. So that's what's going on with Kit right now. We've got some other great products. We've also done some updates to our VOD store, the video on demand store, which allows people who want to get into broadcasting to actually put together a whole sort of Netflix, Amazon-like network and put it online. We've done a lot with the discovery on that, and we're just making that easier for broadcasters to use. The social program guide app that I was talking about before, that's our big play into the second screen market. And what it is, it's a white label app that's designed for MVPDs and for broadcasters to use. And we think it's really key that they're the ones who are going to be able to give people the opportunity to change the channel. And that is the killer app. People don't want to constantly open and close different apps, open the app, find the remote control. So what this is, it's a mashup of a remote control and an electronic program guide with some social and other data functionality overlaid onto it. So that maybe I don't care what my social graph is watching, but I do want to know what are most men my age in my town watching, and then I can act on that by changing the channel. The other really cool thing about the social program guide is it's got this thing called the ad locker in it. And what is the ad locker? It is all of the ads that you've seen and all the product placement while you were last watching are available in one screen on the second screen app. You'll be able to go there after you finish watching for that show or for that evening and go in and actually go shopping. And that shopping is a lot more fun than watching ads. But if there's something you saw, something you wanted to buy, you'll be able to go in there and actually start buying it. It's a great monetization option for all the people who are putting this out, for the MVPDs, for the networks themselves. And so we're really excited about that. We just see the second screen market exploding, especially in terms of using it as a remote control device. Google's already introduced something like that in Kansas City, so people are used to actually having something like that. And we think that's going to really be where this is all heading. It's going to be a device sort of like the Google Nexus or iPad mini, something that doesn't take up its own seat on the couch, but actually allows you to see additional content. So we're really excited about where all that's going.
What you're about to experience here today is probably 5 hours of the most information about second screen that's ever been gathered on the planet to date.